Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TNXP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one. I realize I state the obvious when I say that, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, well above average on volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 80 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 80, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period moving average, excuse me, sorry, I had a message pop up on my other monitors. So lesson there, don't try to read and talk at the same time. But that's a 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, best case, stay above 80 cents, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance going forward? Well, the level that stands out to me is this resistance trend line here. So keep a very close eye on that. That does a good job of symbolizing the selling pressure that has shown up. I get it, just saying selling pressure are just words. It's just a phrase. But that's why I love charts, because they allow you to take words and phrases and actually make them very visual. So visualize the selling pressure right here. There were several bounces throughout the course of the day, but each one of those bounces just kept getting lower and lower. So that doesn't mean it's the end of the world or anything like that. My point is, if there is going to be any sort of bigger continuation of the upside, then that'll be the key level of resistance that needs to be broken. But anyway, look at it. Monster volume today, monster movement. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.